Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, create a bootable USB using Rufus, and fully install AnduinOS on your PC or laptop from start to finish. If you've never tried Linux before, AnduinOS is actually a great place to start. It has a modern and clean design, smooth performance, low system usage, and a very beginner-friendly interface. It feels fast, lightweight, and responsive even on older computers. You also get privacy-focused features, easy software installation, and a polished desktop experience that looks really nice right after installation. So if you want a fresh operating system for daily use, office work, web browsing, programming, or even reviving an old laptop, this guide will help you install everything step by step. First, open your browser and visit the official AnduinOS website, AnduinOS.com. Now scroll down and you'll see two versions available, version 1.1 LTS and version 1.4 Standard. The 1.4 Standard Edition is the latest recommended build, so select version 1.4. After that, choose your preferred language and click the direct download option to start. The file size may be a few gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it could take a few minutes to finish downloading. While that downloads, open another tab and go to the official Rufus website, rufus.ie. Rufus is the tool we'll use to create the bootable USB installer. Download the latest version, and once it finishes, plug your USB flash drive into the computer. Make sure there's nothing important on the USB because the process will erase all files on it. Now open Rufus. Your USB drive should automatically appear at the top. Click the Select button and choose the AnduinOS ISO file you downloaded earlier. For most modern computers, leave the partition scheme as GPT and target system as UEFI. If you have an older PC, you can use MBR instead. Now click Start. Choose Write in ISO image mode and click OK. Now wait for the process to complete. This may take several minutes depending on your USB speed. Once finished, close Rufus. Plug the USB drive into the PC or laptop where you want to install AnduinOS. Then restart the computer to boot from the USB installer. During startup, repeatedly press your boot menu key. On most systems this could be F12, F9, Escape, or Delete, depending on the motherboard or laptop brand. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. Your system will now load the AnduinOS installer. After a few moments, you'll see the AnduinOS desktop. Click the Install AnduinOS icon to begin the setup process. Choose your language, click Continue. Keyboard layout, then click Continue. Next, enable the option to install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi, and media support. Next, you'll reach the installation section. If you want a completely fresh installation, select the option to erase the disk and install AnduinOS. If you want to keep Windows and use dual boot, or create more partition, choose the second option carefully. Now select your time zone and create your user account by entering your computer name, username, and password. Once everything is ready, click Continue and wait for the files to copy to your system. Installation time will depend on your hardware speed, but usually it only takes a few minutes. When the installation is complete, click Restart Now. Remove the USB drive when the system asks, and your computer will reboot directly into AnduinOS. After logging in for the first time, you'll see the clean and modern desktop environment. One thing you'll immediately notice is how smooth and lightweight AnduinOS feels compared to many traditional operating systems. The interface is simple, modern, and easy to navigate, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. And that's it. You have now successfully downloaded, created a bootable USB, and fully installed AnduinOS on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.